Hello, how are you managing your landscape now that temperatures are cooling off here in the Phoenix area? My name's Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping, and that's exactly what this video is about. We are in the beginning of November, and we just got over just this extreme heat. Actually, the last 2 summers have just been really excessive heat here in the Phoenix area. And then, of course, we get this cool down phase in October, and then by November it's just really nice and cool out. It's a great time to go out and enjoy our outdoors. But how does this impact your landscape? First of all, you want to make certain, of course, that you're reducing your water usage. So I will be sure to put a link somewhere on this video or in the blog or the YouTube description as far as what our recommended watering schedule is on our website. But you want to gradually reduce those water times, run times. If you're running those summer, pop-up sprinklers maybe in your lawn, 20 minutes, 5-6 days a week, maybe you want to reduce that down to about half, and maybe water only 2, 3, 4 times a week, just to reduce the amount of water you're using. And then, of course, as it gets cooler, you even want to reduce more. But it's also the same for all your plants, your vegetation, your trees, all your entire landscape. And like I said, the link on my website will show you exactly each season what we recommend for watering. And each home is a little different. So, of course, your property might require more water in some areas than others. But also want to go over just, other recommendations that we like to do here in the fall. If you have planter beds that have been mulched, you want to remulch those here in the fall time. It's a great time to do that. You want to remove any diseased or dead or dying plants that have been hit pretty harshly by the heat, that didn't do too well in these extreme temperatures. You want to cut those back or remove them. You want to check for insect or disease issues with your plants and landscape and address those concerns. Some plants benefit from a light fertilizer application in the fall, not too many of them. You don't want to do a real extreme fertilization just because you don't want a lot of growth going into the fall, because we could possibly get a frost and that could possibly get damaged, all that new growth. So this is more about plant health, good root structure, good root growth for the fertilization application. You want to also evaluate your plants. Those extreme plants that didn't do too well in the summertime that you had to cut back or remove, maybe go with a different variety, something that's more hardy, that can handle our extreme frost in the winter and excessive heat in the summer. More desert adaptable plants that are recommended by just nurseries around the area, and the Water Users Association has a great group of plants they recommend that we can share a link for that as well. Fall is a great time to plant just your annual flowers. The transition from the summer flowers to the winter flowers is a good time to be doing that. You can also plant ornamentals and some perennials. We actually don't mind really putting in like succulents and cactus this time of year because it can be planted, and they usually don't take a frost. Anything that doesn't take a frost in the winter is a good time to plant this time also. Once again, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at azlawns.com. Check out our Facebook and YouTube pages at AMS Landscaping, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at azlawns. Make it a great day.